Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something exciting to talk about: the DIY Lash Extension Kit by unveil Lash, which claims to be the best Korean false eyelashes kit in the market. In this video, we'll dive deep into what this kit has to offer and whether it lives up to the hype. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest beauty products. Let's kick things off by taking a closer look at the DIY Lash Extension Kit D-Curl Lash Clusters Kit. This kit includes 120 clustered lashes, lash bond and seal, and an eyelash applicator tool. With a price tag of just $9.99, it's a steal. These lashes come in various lengths from 8mm to 16mm. And they have a curvature of D, providing a soft and fluffy texture for a natural look. Now, let's talk about some of the key features that make this kit stand out. First, the 2-in-1 dual head design of the bond and seal is not only convenient but also space-saving. The bond brush ensures even application without clumping, while the seal brush keeps your eyelashes clean and free from dirt. Plus, this kit is non-irritating, cruelty-free, and suitable for sensitive individuals. Wondering how to use this kit effectively? It's pretty simple. Just place the cluster lashes under your natural eyelashes to achieve a more natural look. Not only does this make application easier, but it also makes removal a breeze. Before we wrap up, let's take a look at what customers are saying about this DIY Lash Extension Kit. With over 2,000 ratings and an average of 4.3 stars, it's clear that many users are loving this product. Customers have praised its ease of use, lightweight feel, and how it creates a natural yet dramatic look. Some have even compared it to more expensive brands and found it to be a great alternative. So, is the DIY Lash Extension Kit by unveil Lash the best Korean false eyelashes kit on the market? Based on customer reviews and the affordable price, it certainly seems like a top contender. If you're looking to enhance your lashes and achieve that wispy, natural look at home, this kit might be the perfect choice for you. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've tried this product or have any other recommendations, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest beauty and personal care products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.